Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the Hoover CleanSlate. This is a portable spot cleaner. We're going to start by lifting off the clean water tank. It's the smaller of the two tanks. It's got a little gray handle on it. Just simply pick it up, lift it off. It removes from the machine. There's no lock or latch. Remove the cap and then fill it up with water to one of the fill lines. You've got one for a small area and one for a large area. I just used tap water. That's what was in that pitcher. Then you're going to fill it up to the other fill line with cleaning solution. It does come with this 8-ounce bottle to get you started, and you can order more cleaning solution as needed. Put the cap back on and then put the tank back on the machine. Go ahead and unwrap your cord and then plug it in. It does have a 3-prong cord, so you will need a grounded outlet. Go ahead and unwrap the hose, and then at the end of the hose, there's the handle with the pull trigger. When you pull this trigger, water and cleaning solution will spray out of the nozzle. You've got a couple different cleaning attachments that come with it, the smaller tool and then a standard 7-inch scrub tool. The scrub tool does have removable brushes, so you can switch between the rubber bristles or the plastic bristles. The rubber bristles actually work really well for delicate materials, but today I'm going to be using the traditional plastic bristles. Go ahead and put that scrub tool on the end of the hose, then turn your machine on. When your machine is on, you'll pull that spray trigger, and as you can see, water and cleaning solution is spraying out of that nozzle that I showed you. Then to extract, you will make contact with the suction port at the end of your scrub tool, pull it over that area, and it will suck up the water, dirt, dust, or debris, whatever you're cleaning. Now to get started here, I'm going to start by saturating the stain. So I'm going to spray water and cleaning solution on the area. Then I'm going to take some time and scrub it because I want to get that cleaning solution into the fibers of the carpet to help break down the stain. And then you can go ahead and start extracting. Go ahead and tilt the scrub tool up a little bit and then drag it over the area, and that will make really good contact and extract really nicely. Just continue this as needed until you're satisfied with how clean your area is getting. Spray, scrub, and extract. Repeat that process as needed. And then when you're done, go over the area a final time to extract as much liquid as possible. It should be slightly damp to the touch, but you don't want it sopping wet. Now on the other side, when you're all done, you will press the button on the dirty water tank to remove it. There is a latch, and then just lift off the lid. There's no lock, but there is a rubber gasket, so it'll give you a little bit of resistance, but it does just pull right off of there. Go ahead and discard that dirty water, rinse out the tank, and repeat that until the tank is clean. Then you can go ahead and clean your machine and rinse out the hose. So on the top of the lid of the dirty water tank, there's this hose rinse tool. Go ahead and remove that and put it on the end of your hose. So remove that scrub tool and put it on there. It covers the spray port and goes into the suction nozzle on the hose. Then you'll turn the machine on, press and pull the trigger, and this will circulate water and cleaning solution through the hose. This will rinse out anything still left in the hose. Hold that trigger for about 30 seconds to rinse it out, then release the trigger and leave the machine on for an additional 30 seconds to make sure that you clear out any standing water. Now there is another very narrow path tool if you want to use that. It's very small. It's got some bristles on it, a really narrow extraction port. You could use this as you see fit. I personally haven't found many use case scenarios for it, but there are some out there, so just use it as needed. Another cool feature is with your scrub tool, everything does come apart, so you can remove the cover, the brushes, and then rinse and clean everything out and off, set everything aside to dry, and then store it for your future use. Hopefully that was helpful. That's how you use the Hoover CleanSlate portable spot cleaner.